Google vs OpenAI, how the search giant will take. When OpenAI introduced its GPT-based chatbot ChatGPT to the public, it took the internet by storm, leading to some proclaiming that Google's days of leading the search market are numbered. Of course, Google has taken note of ChatGPT and, as a New York Times report had indicated earlier, already declared a code red around the developments. The latest report from Bloomberg has said that the company has invested nearly $400 million in Anthropic, which is currently testing a rival to OpenAI's ChatGPT. This deal follows a similar one where Microsoft committed to investing nearly $10 billion in OpenAI, which is in addition to the $1 billion that Microsoft invested in the startup in 2019. But exactly how does Google plan to roll out its own AI chatbot, especially LaMDA, which has been limited beta testing for a while now? Let's take a look at what we know so far about Google's own approach to AI and why it could go big on this in 2023. Anthropic is not Google's first big-ticket investment in artificial intelligence technologies. In 2014, Google's parent company, Alphabet, acquired British AI laboratory DeepMind. DeepMind is known for, among other things, developing the AlphaGo program that beat world champion Go player Lee Sedol in 2016, AlphaZero, which was able to defeat seasoned chess programs like Stockfish, and AlphaFold, which predicted the shape of nearly all proteins known to science. In January, Google issued a detailed blog post where it justified the slower approach that it takes when it comes to rolling out new AI-based innovations. We also believe that getting AI right must be a collective effort involving us and others, including researchers, developers, users, governments, regulators, and citizens. It is critical that we collectively earn public trust if AI is to deliver on its potential for people and society. As a company, we embrace the opportunity to work with others to get AI right, the post read. It was signed by James Manica, SVP at Google, Jeff Dean, lead of Google's AI division, Demis Hassabis, CEO and co-founder of DeepMind, which is owned by Alphabet, Marian Croak, VP of Engineering at Google, and Sundar Pichai, Google and Alphabet CEO. The post also noted that the company was performing continuous adversarial and related forms of testing and has taken a differentiated and careful approach to access and deployment of novel systems such as LaMDA, PaLM, and Waymo. End quote.